So, good afternoon. I am Ederic Luis Miranda, and this is my program for midterm exam. And this program will allow you to enter or store, edit, and search ASEAN Phonebook. First thing, you will need to develop a class called student, and each of the needed values or information must be called in this function and using these mutator programs to set those information like student number, surname, first name, occupation, gender, country code, area code, and phone number. And to get those information, you will need to form or create a different accessor program for each information. This filter gender will be used for this sentence that will print out if you will choose the third option, which is the search. And to make it more precise, that will show the student number, name, age, then phone number, and um, his or her country. And all of the information will be stored in this dictionary called Old Students and separated by each country code and respective country code. And this will be our main menu tab or function, and each of and will we show different options like one store, two edit, three search, and the last is the fourth one, each exit. If you choose one, then the program will show you different questions like this one, first surname, first name, occupation, and each of them will show invalid if you enter invalid input and repeat that question. And at the end of this, the program will ask you if you want to enter another one or not. If you want to enter one, press type Y, and if no, N. Then if you type N, then you will back to the main menu tab. Then if you choose to, which edit, the program will ask you to enter that student number and ask you which of the following information do you want to change, one student number, etc., etc. And if you are done picking that number, you will choose number 8, which is to exit. Then the third option is to search for that student from that respective country. First, the Philippines is 63, Thailand 66, Singapore 65, Indonesia 62, Malaysia 60. And each of that has a respective number that you will choose 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if you choose other than number and that and it will return invalid and return that question. If you choose 0, then it means that uh, you will not choose any of these 5. Then, and if you choose correct, then the program will show you that the different student from that country. Then if you choose 4, then it will show you thank you and execute. Let's try. I choose 1, then my student number, my last name, and then Edric, and mail, and 63. Two random numbers lang po. Then, no. Want to edit, then 2019, 13398. Then I want to change it, the occupation, then nurse. Then I want to search for my name, press 1, M, no, 8 to execute, then 3 to search, then 1, 0, burn, then that's all, then 4, then that's all. Thank you.